The torque converter is the launching device of the Allison fully automatic transmission, constituted by two main halves, pump and turbine, that uses fluid to launch the vehicle instead of a traditional dry clutch used in manual or automated manual gearboxes. At ignition, as the engine flywheel rotates and the converter pump rotates with it, pressurized fluid is drawn from the transmission sump into the converter cavity. Centrifugal force causes the fluid to be thrown out from the pump onto the vanes of the turbine. As the fluid comes back off the bottom of the turbine blades, it strikes the front face of the stator blades, which redirect the fluid back towards the pump at an accelerated rate. As this cycle is repeated, the fluid gains an extra push and the rotational force is multiplied, enabling the turbine to transfer up to twice the full engine torque to the driveline. As the turbine increases speed and approaches the speed of the pump, lockup is engaged for solid mechanical connection between the two halves. These principles of operation mean that the torque converter has the following unique values. No wear. Because the torque converter uses fluid to couple engine and driveline at vehicle launch or during low-speed maneuvering, unlike a slipping clutch that does wear and requires replacement over time. Shock absorption. Fluid coupling and torsional damping absorb shocks, typical at vehicle launch or during maneuvering. High torque. It allows the use of high engine torque at vehicle launch, while a slipping clutch cannot unleash it as it would overheat or burn up. Torque multiplication. The torque converter has a multiplication ratio and multiplies engine torque by that ratio during the vehicle launch. In general, an Allison can multiply up to twice engine torque at launch. Lockup. A torque converter operates hydraulically only when needed. Lockup is engaged early to transmit engine power efficiently and fuel economically. In the end, the torque converter in an Allison automatic provides superior launch, better acceleration, lower maintenance cost, and ease of operation. Allison's continuous power technology results in a variety of driver benefits that you'll experience today. With twice the engine's original torque being delivered to the wheels, you'll get unmatched startability. Ideal when working with heavy loads and on steep grades, or when you need extra rocking ability when the terrain gets muddy or loose. You can still get out, and get out faster. Our ability to deliver uninterrupted power through the shifting cycle results in better fuel efficiency, a smoother ride, and shortened stop-and-go cycle times. Allison is also ideal when utilizing hybrid technologies or alternative fuels like condensed or liquefied natural gas. Allison's advanced electronic controls can also minimize fuel consumption by limiting aggressive acceleration and driving and selecting optimal shift schedules. No matter the terrain or driving conditions, drivers and their vehicles can be in the right gear at the right time. While fleet owners get reduced maintenance costs over the life of the vehicle, the torque converter puts drivers at ease behind the wheel. Drivers can keep two hands on the wheel versus searching for the shift knob. Leg fatigue is minimized since there's no clutch to press, and the smooth operation is less stressful not only on the truck, but the driver inside. The brake retarder also puts less stress on the vehicle and the driver in all traffic conditions, including downhill runs. In the end, Allison gives you more control. Control of the road, control of the cab, control of your fleet, and control of your budget. We put the power in your hands to do more work, make more stops, serve more riders while operating your vehicles in the safest way possible. When you choose Allison, you expand your driver pool, reduce maintenance costs, and make work more enjoyable for everyone associated with your fleet, from the driver to your end customer. Our goal is to change the way the world works, and that starts now.